Hi guys, I just thought I would share this video with you of a repair I was doing on this dishwasher and some troubleshooting. So this is an FD60 model made by Hotpoint, and the problem was the pump was running all the time, so you could hear that the pump inside the machine was just running constantly, and then I could also see that this eco light here was flashing continuously as well, and the machine wouldn't do anything. So after looking that up online, I realised that that is an error code, or the machine is trying to tell you that it is errored out. And the error that it's actually trying to show you is that this leak detector here, which is connected to the bottom plate of the dishwasher. So this is the base of the dishwasher that I've already removed from it. Once that detects water, it will fire and it'll stop the dishwasher from running and throw that error message, which is a good safety feature to have. So it means that if you have a leak, it'll stop it running and it'll tell you. So first of all, I just took off some of the panels here on this machine. So it has a top panel here. There's a ton of different screws that need to be removed. There must be, I don't know, maybe 50 screws or something, 40 anyway, I would say. So I just ran the machine and just inspected what was going on. So you could see when I had the machine apart initially, this base was still connected to it, and you could see that the water was all pooled inside here. So I had to mop that up first. And then after doing that, I could see that there was a leak coming from up around in here, in this region here. And initially I thought it was that plastic piece there, which is the actual which is where the filter is. So I thought it was in there, and this ring here is a retaining ring that you can rotate anti-clockwise and clockwise. So I initially thought it was that, retightened that, but the leak was still there. And it was only then that I figured out it was actually something really simple. It was actually just this nut here that's connected to the arm in the center. So this piece here had just worked loose, and once I tightened that, I just ran the machine again just to confirm that the leak was now fixed and there's no more leak. So all it was a very simple fix, just that nut on the rotating arm had worked its way loose after many years of use. So to test this, you can disconnect this leak sensor. There's a wire here. Just disconnect that from the base of the dishwasher and you can run it without having that connected, which is pretty handy for troubleshooting. So that's it, guys, just a quick one. Hopefully it'll help someone else who's troubleshooting the same error message. I think there's lots of different things that can cause this error. It's not to say that this will be exactly what you'll have. If you have a pipe that's worn or something, it could be some other failure, but at least if you have a look in here, you can try and diagnose what part of the machine is leaking to help you troubleshoot it. Okay guys, catch you again.